afternoon. Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing 2019 Bowman Chrome Choice for Victor. Good luck, man. Terran Vavra. Is that a redemption? Redemption to end. Jorge Alcara. Alcala, yeah. I think it's a redemption. Good luck, Victor. I said Victor getting one box of super. Now let's go. Lots of letters. That's good. Elite Farmhands autograph. Nice. Good job, Victor. Elite Farmhands, Fernando Tatis Jr. There you go. Victor, congrats, man. Yeah, let me know if you want more. Congrats on the Fernando. Tatis, Alcala, and Vavra.